The Charge Disk M2 NVMe SSD enclosure offers a high-performance solution for those looking to securely store and access data at blazing speeds. Designed with advanced technology, this enclosure integrates an active cooling system to prevent overheating, ensuring optimal performance for your M.2 NVMe SSD. With support for 10 gigabits per second USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 connectivity, it provides rapid data transfer, significantly reducing the wait time for large file transfers or data-intensive applications. Technology meets precision engineering with the Micro-Bit XGO Writer, a compact programmable bipedal robot built to inspire innovation. Designed for both education and entertainment, it features powerful all-metal magnetic encoding bus serial servos at its joints and a FOC wheel hub integrated motor for smooth drive performance. This allows the XGO Writer to perform 360-degree full-range, flexible movements with stable posture control, tackling complex motions effortlessly. Firing up bold flavors starts with precision heat, and the Gosney Dome S1 delivers with unapologetic power. Its quick-start rolling gas flame surges to 700 degrees Fahrenheit in just minutes, transforming ordinary backyard meals into chef-level experiences. Once it hits 950 degrees Fahrenheit, it holds steady, letting you produce Neapolitan-style pizza after pizza without a drop in consistency or temperature. This oven doesn't just cook, it performs. Clean beyond the surface with cutting-edge ultrasonic power, this portable, multifunctional ultrasonic dishwasher is engineered for modern living, compact yet powerful and ready to elevate your kitchen or camping setup. Operating at a frequency of 45 kilohertz, it creates millions of microscopic cavitation bubbles that scrub away food residue, grease, and bacteria from dishes, baby bottles, fruits, and even delicate items like jewelry and glasses. WavePad's Original 2 pack-adjustable wrist rests are designed to provide lasting comfort and support during long hours of typing or computer use. Crafted with ergonomic memory foam, these wrist pads offer optimal cushioning, reducing pressure on the wrists and helping to prevent discomfort caused by repetitive strain. Whether you're working on a laptop or using a keyboard, these adjustable wrist rests align perfectly with your wrists, promoting a more natural position that alleviates wrist pain and carpal tunnel symptoms. Immerse yourself in visual clarity with the Goovies art, where sharpness, color, and comfort intersect. Designed for seamless integration into everyday life, Goovies art delivers panoramic peripheral vision and stays unaffected by changes in ambient lighting. You remain aware of your surroundings, even as you dive into immersive content. Weighing just 3.9 ounces, Goovies art ensures long-lasting comfort with no extra strain on your neck or forehead. Fortified with unmatched endurance and engineered for harsh terrain, this powerhouse tablet is built to thrive in places where ordinary devices would fail. The RT7 Titan isn't just another rugged tablet, it's a survivalist command center, equipped with cutting-edge technology wrapped in a tough tactical shell. Whether you're operating in construction zones, wilderness outposts, or emergency response situations, it brings more than just connectivity. This Android 13 tablet features a colossal 32,000 milliamp hour battery, capable of enduring for days without needing a charge. The Nikasa kitchen composter is designed to streamline the composting process with convenience and efficiency. Featuring a 12-liter capacity, it can handle up to 3.5 pounds of waste per day, allowing you to go over 10 days without the need for waste disposal. The result is more than 7.5 pounds of nutrient-rich organic fertilizer, which can support sustainable gardening or lawn care. What sets this composter apart is its ability to complete the composting process in just 48 hours. The Petite Foray Plus Tropical Moss Terrarium offers a seamless blend of nature and technology. This innovative terrarium features full app control for managing growth, lighting, and watering, providing a convenient way to care for your plants. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or new to indoor gardening, this terrarium simplifies the process with its intuitive features. The system allows you to easily monitor and adjust the environment for your tropical moss, ensuring optimal conditions for growth. Keeping your indoor air safe has never been more effortless. With its wide 3.6-inch display, the SwitchBot Meter Pro CO2 provides instant, easy-to-read information on CO2, concentration, temperature, humidity, date, time, and comfort levels. This compact yet powerful monitor delivers a complete snapshot of your environment, helping you know exactly when to ventilate for better air quality. The Brevoy Espresso Maker offers an innovative solution for coffee lovers on the go. This portable espresso machine is designed to brew both ground coffee and capsules, allowing for versatile brewing options. With a robust 20-bar pressure system, it extracts rich, full-bodied espresso, mimicking the experience of a traditional espresso machine. Whether you prefer your coffee from capsules or freshly ground beans, this device accommodates both seamlessly. Its compact design makes it ideal for outdoor adventures, including camping, RV trips, or hiking. For gamers who value precision, comfort, and compatibility across devices, the GameSire X5 Lite delivers performance that stays locked in even when action heats up. Just 0.30 pounds, it's lightweight without sacrificing build quality. Its ergonomic shape and laser-engraved textured grips offer comfort during extended sessions. GameSir Hall Effect sticks deliver anti-drift precision, giving players a tactical edge. Tough enough to travel and sharp enough to satisfy, the GKD Plus redefines what a retro handheld console can deliver. At just under 6 inches wide and 3 inches tall, it's small enough to slip into a jacket pocket, yet fully packed with serious gaming muscle. This compact powerhouse comes preloaded with over 2,500 classic games, spanning arcade legends, platformers, and vintage RPGs. Cheer.to redefines convenience and functionality with its innovative multifunctional design. This smart mouse seamlessly blends an Air Mouse, wireless touchpad, presentation pen, and recording pen into one compact device. Weighing only 70 grams, it's lightweight and portable, perfect for those who need to stay mobile. The ergonomic shape fits naturally in your hand, making it ideal for extended use without discomfort. The Air Mouse operates in 2 modes: desktop and air mode. With a blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, this drone offers a remarkable flight experience. Equipped with a wide-angle 4K HD Wi-Fi front lens and a high-definition optical flow lens at the bottom, users can easily switch camera angles for dynamic shots. Its 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, coupled with a 6-axis gyroscope, ensures stable flight, making it easier to control. Redefining what it means to work in comfort, the Kofo Zero Gravity Monitor Arm Pro blends elegant precision with powerhouse performance. Designed with a minimalist aesthetic rooted in Japanese engineering, this monitor arm invites balance and control into your workspace. At its core lies a revolutionary double mechanical spring system that holds up to 30 pounds of weight, supporting monitors up to 40 inches with zero compromise in stability. Plevo's smart backpack and duffel bag redefines travel convenience with cutting-edge features and unmatched versatility. Available in 2 distinct products, Smart Backpack and Duffel Bag, these designs come in 4 different sizes, ensuring an ideal fit for every journey, whether short or long. With the integration of Smart Lock technology, users enjoy a seamless, secure experience, unlocking the bag with Face ID, Touch ID, or even Morse code for a touch of novelty. The OpenRock Bluetooth 5.3 wireless over-ear earbuds stand out as a powerful companion for a variety of activities, offering an exceptional balance of performance and durability. Designed with a long-lasting 60-hour playtime, these earbuds ensure you stay immersed in your music, podcasts, or calls without constantly needing to recharge. The deep bass feature enhances your audio experience, delivering crisp, rich sound that brings your entertainment to life. Bridging classic analog depth with modern digital finesse, the Comica eJoy D10 PRO transforms your voice into a studio-grade signal whether you're podcasting in a treated booth or live streaming from your bedroom. This all-in-one dynamic microphone features dual wired wireless operation with both XLR and USB-C outputs, making it as flexible as it is powerful. Its cardioid large diaphragm capsule captures warm, detailed audio while rejecting unwanted noise. Whether you're crushing a hit session, filming your dance routine, or following a new recipe in the kitchen, this multi-surface phone holder adapts instantly. No more propping your phone on water bottles or balancing it against salt shakers. Designed to secure your device on mirrors, tiles, glass, and more, this hands-free solution brings unmatched convenience to your active lifestyle. The MirrorPlay multi-surface phone holder grips firmly to any smooth surface. It's compact, easy to use, and compatible with all phone sizes. With an eye for dynamic storytelling, this compact system transforms ordinary shots into cinematic sequences. Trexo Wheels enhances every frame through precision motion control, letting users craft smooth, repeatable movements with ease. Whether you're showcasing a product or capturing a scene, its intuitive system adapts to both mobile and DSLR workflows. What sets this apart is its built-in AI voice command capability. Direct the device hands-free and stay focused on your subject. In a world where aging often means isolation, companionship can be as powerful as medicine. That's where Honorado AI takes flight. An intelligent, lifelike parrot crafted not only to assist but to genuinely connect. With more than 800 million individuals over the age of 65, and 60% of them living alone, Honorado AI delivers more than utility. It offers presence, personality, and peace of mind. The UEFI Cam 3 S330 redefines home security with its advanced features that elevate your surveillance experience. Featuring a remarkable 4K resolution, this camera utilizes UEFI's Starlight technology for unparalleled night vision, offering crystal-clear footage even in low-light settings. It outperforms traditional 1080p cameras, delivering vibrant colors and detailed images during the night. When relaxation demands more than just warm water, the Cabo steps in as a commanding presence in your backyard. Built for indulgence and engineered for year-round use, this spa blends smart tech, robust construction, and thoughtful design into one immersive retreat. Measuring generously with a square footprint, it accommodates up to 6 adults with ease, offering both comfort and space to stretch out. The dual massage system combines 140 soothing air jets with 4 targeted hydrojets, delivering a layered spa experience at 2 adjustable intensity levels. The Meraki Ultimate Espresso Machine redefines the coffee experience, combining cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship to deliver perfect espresso with every cup. Engineered with a Time More co-engineered grinder, this machine ensures a consistent, precise grind that enhances the flavor extraction. The rotary pump allows for stable pressure, ensuring your coffee is brewed to perfection every time, whether you're making a single shot or a full cup. Introducing the world's first energy recovery and electronic brake leash, a revolutionary innovation that combines advanced technology with pet safety. This leash is equipped with KERS charging, harnessing kinetic energy from your pet's movements to recharge its battery, ensuring it stays powered up for longer outings. The electronic emergency braking system enhances safety by providing instant stopping power, protecting both the pet and owner from potential hazards. The Spacetop G1 redefines the concept of portable computing, blending augmented reality with practical functionality. Unlike traditional laptops, the Spacetop G1 uses a pair of AR glasses linked to a minimalist keyboard and trackpad. These glasses create a virtual 100-inch screen that floats in the real world, eliminating the need for a physical display. This innovation lets users work without the restrictions of cramped spaces, making it ideal for travelers or those constantly on the go. Compact enough to fit in your palm, this advanced handheld 3D scanner combines cutting-edge accuracy and color fidelity in one sleek unit. Built for creators, designers, and engineers, it captures detailed full-color 3D models with an impressive 0.05mm precision. With a real-time scanning speed of 18 frames per second, it ensures smooth, uninterrupted data collection even on complex surfaces or moving objects. Introducing the Bapaco keyboard, an innovative solution that revolutionizes the way you think about productivity. This device merges the functionality of a keyboard with the power of a PC, offering seamless performance with a built-in Windows 11 operating system. With its 12.3-inch touchscreen display, the Bapaco provides a compact yet full-fledged computing experience. Whether you're working on documents, browsing the web, or handling creative tasks, this versatile keyboard offers everything you need for multitasking. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's about flexibility, and the Li-Po Dual Views delivers both in a sleek 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display built for real productivity. Whether you're deep into code, editing visuals, or managing spreadsheets, its 1080p resolution brings clarity without straining your eyes, thanks to an advanced eye care screen. Designed with mobility in mind, it weighs just under 1.7 pounds and slips easily into your laptop bag. In today's fast-moving world, simplicity and calm are more valuable than ever. That's where ZenFlow steps in, redefining how we experience aromatherapy with a sleek, waterless diffuser designed to harmonize with your pace, your space, and your lifestyle. Whether you're working late in a home office or unwinding in a cozy corner, ZenFlow turns everyday moments into peaceful retreats. ZenFlow isn't just a diffuser, it's intentional living. Built to be durable and sustainable, it delivers long-lasting fragrance without constant refills or upkeep. Forget preheating and oil-splattered stovetops. The Philips Air Fryer XXL streamlines family meals with precision and speed. Designed for efficiency, its 7-quart capacity easily handles a whole chicken or 2 bags of fries, perfect for feeding the entire family in one go. It uses rapid air technology to circulate hot air, creating crispy exteriors and tender interiors without relying on excess oil. Integrated fat removal technology captures and separates fat from food during cooking, making each bite lighter without sacrificing flavor. Precision and balance define the essence of this ergonomic marvel. Designed for extended sessions at a desk or workstation, this chair features an auto-following backrest and headrest, which intuitively track your spine and neck movement for seamless support. Whether you're leaning forward in focus or reclining to unwind, the chair synchronizes with your natural posture to maintain optimal alignment throughout.